A magnitude 5.5 earthquake struck central Syria on Monday. The quake occurred at 11:56 p.m. local time. The quake was felt in northern Israel as well as in Lebanon and Jordan. The epicenter was at a depth of 10 kilometers, 28 kilometers east of the city of Hama. Residents of Damascus and Beirut took to the streets fearing a stronger quake. Aftershocks were later recorded. On social networks, eyewitnesses shared footage of the natural disaster. Several buildings were reported to have received minor damage. At least 25 people suffered minor injuries. Rescue teams were sent to the affected areas.